दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। To assail correctness of the order passed in appeal and order passed in review application passed by Commissioner Merit Development Authority. In a nutshell, the case of the petitioner is that he was appointed as clerk in the office of Merit Development Authority in the year 1983. Shri Bajnath, posted as additional secretary, Merit Development Authority, lodged a complaint in police station Merit alleging that when the officers of the authority were busy in meeting at that time, some of the members of the Merit Development Authority Employees Union entered into the office and started shouting slogan and also misbehaved with the officers, as a result of which work was hampered about half an hour. On the basis of said complaint, on the same day, first information report was lodged under sections 342 and 353 of IPC at police station civil lines for causing hindrance in government work. It is alleged that in the said FIR, the petitioner was not named. In pursuance of the said FIR, the respondent number 2, Vice Chairman Merit Development Authority, passed an order by which the petitioner was suspended on the ground that in the said incident he was involved. The inquiry officer, Merit Development Authority, sent a charge sheet with the charge that petitioner without permission entered into the office of vice chairman and started shouting slogans and misbehaved with senior official and also caused hindrance in official work and as such violates the rules provided under Uttar Pradesh Government Servants Conduct Rules 1956. Copy of charge sheet was served upon the petitioner. As a consequence, the petitioner has filed his reply before inquiry officer. The inquiry officer submitted his inquiry report on in which no credible evidence was found against the petitioner. Thereafter, the vice chairman rejected the inquiry report with the direction to the inquiry officer to issue a fresh charge sheet along with evidence. Thereafter, the inquiry officer issued amended charge sheet containing 2 charges. Against the amended charge sheet, the petitioner has filed his reply. Upon reply submitted by the petitioner, the Vice Chairman, Merit Development Authority, passed the order by which the suspension order was revoked with the direction the departmental inquiry will continue. It is further alleged that when suspension order was revoked, the inquiry officer again submitted amended inquiry report holding that since the suspension order has been revoked, inquiry officer drawn conclusion that since no criminal case was lodged against the petitioner, he is guilty only for minor misconduct. The inquiry officer submitted his inquiry report before the vice chairman stating that suspension of the petitioner was revoked since no criminal case was lodged against the petitioner. Neither had he misbehaved with the officer, nor he shouted slogan, nor also did he not use any foul language. As such, he is guilty for minor misconduct. Aggrieved by the order passed by vice chairman, the petitioner preferred an appeal before commissioner with the prayer that his case may be considered sympathetically. The petitioner has filed an application before the appellate authority, stating that final report has been filed in criminal case number 252 of 2017. The Chief Judicial Magistrate, Meerut, held that according to final report, no evidence was found. As such, final report is accepted and criminal case number 250 of 2017 lodged in Thana Civil Lines, Meerut, is consigned to record. However, it is stated that the application filed by the petitioner was rejected on the ground that appeal has already been decided. Feeling aggrieved by the petitioner, filed review application before Commissioner, Meerut Region. During pendency of review application, the petitioner filed writ petition before this court for early disposal of review application. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इसे बहुत अच्छे से लिखा होगा। ये थोड़ी टफ डिक्टेशन है कंपैरेटिवली जो पहले डिक्टेशन मैंने दी है, तो आप इसे अच्छे से लिखिए, बार बार प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। 120 WPM की डिक्टेशन भी अपलोड हो चुकी है। तो आप सब मैं मुलाकात करता हूँ अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।